How to hide all posts on Facebook. Quick method 2026. Want to hide all your Facebook posts at once? Facebook does not provide a true one-click button, but there is a fast, built-in tool that lets you hide multiple posts in seconds. Here's how. Method: use Manage Activity to hide posts in bulk. Step 1. Open the Facebook app and go to your profile. Step 2. Tap the 3 dots under your profile name. Step 3. Tap Activity Log. Step 4. Tap Manage Activity, select your posts. Step 5. Tap Filter, optional, to choose Date Range, Categories, Posts, Photos, Videos. Step 6. Select multiple posts you want to hide. Step 7. Tap Archive. Archived posts are hidden from the public but still saved in your account. Difference between archive and delete. Archive hides posts without deleting them. Recommended. Delete permanently removes posts. Important note: Facebook currently does not offer a single-click option to hide all posts at once, but the Manage Activity